Hey dolls, so I am back. So this is going to be a video on this hair. It was so easy to install. This is actually a closure wig, a 4x4, and it is a water wave curl pattern. Like at first, y'all gonna see in the video, but yes, it turned out super cute. So if you want to know where this hair is from and how I installed it and did these soft wispy baby hairs, then keep on watching. So this is the box that the hair came in. This is from Hurela, and on the box it says make every girl afford beautiful hair, and it has all of their social medias here. So yeah, so on the inside it does have a bag that the hair came in. They also sent wig caps, and this, I'm not sure what this is. Oh, a headband. And then I also got a crochet hook, which is kind of weird because it's not any crochet stuff in here, but yeah. So then I got more wig caps. I think this is like a little Christmas card and a little Christmas stocking. Super cute because a lot of this stuff came like right after Christmas. So yeah, and then I have some clips in here, some lashes, and a scarf. So that's what's in this little bag. I love when they include gifts, especially things that I can utilize. Like this is really pretty. I would totally use that for a scarf. And then I got some more clips. This time I got red because if y'all seen previously, I got some pink ones. So now I have some red ones. So this hair is a 14-inch. And like I said, this is a water wave texture, so the curls are not super curly. Sorry y'all, the camera moved because Amiri keep messing with stuff, but yeah, so it's super cute. Super cute. I really like it. I wanted to do my hair, like I didn't want to be walking around looking a mess, but I really didn't feel like doing too much. And then whenever I checked my you know, bag of all of the wigs that I needed to review, I was like, okay, this is perfect. It's a bob, it's fast, it's easy, and it's a closure. And look at that melt. Like, what? Don't play with her. Like, your girl has stepped it up, okay? Like, what? Where? Period. So yes, stay tuned for the video. Okay, dolls, so here you can see I'm just going ahead and popping the wig on. This is a closure wig, so I'm going to go in and just push the hairs back out of the way before I actually start to apply any adhesive, because we don't want those hairs to get stuck down into the spray. So I'm just going to go in and cut off those tabs on the sides. Y'all know how I do. I like to cut these off first so that my lace can lay as flat as possible. So definitely don't skip this step. You definitely want to go ahead and cut those off first. And I'm going in with my Wonder Lace Bond adhesive, the black can. I'm just showing y'all that I actually got my big can in. I was super excited for this because I really love this product. So I was so excited to have me a nice big can. So yeah, I did flip the lace up, and I'm spraying directly onto my forehead. Usually I will spray, you know, on the lace, but I decided to try it a different way today. So now I have sprayed it directly down onto my forehead, and then I flip the lace back down, and I'm also brushing the hairs out of the way to make sure that they aren't getting stuck, you know, down into the lace. And once I do that, I went back in and sprayed a little bit more just to add a little bit more security. So in this video, I do actually spray down the lace 3 times, because once I cut it off, I always have to go back in and spray it down again to just seal down the edges and everything. But I am using the blow dryer on a cool setting, and then I decided to go in and start to part the hair off before I actually started cutting the lace. So this is a closure. I'm doing a middle part. You don't have to. You could definitely do a side part even if you have a closure, which I have shown y'all how to do that as well. So I'm just perfecting my middle part, and then I'm going to go in with my hot comb and start to lay that down, and also taking my wax stick to further lay it down. You always want to use a wax stick or some kind of oil, because it's really going to melt the hair down into place where you want it to be, versus just using you know, the hot comb on dry hair. So now I'm going in and starting to cut off the excess lace, and I'm just cutting as close to the hairline as possible. You could definitely see the pluckage of this wig. Like you can see the hairline is more thin and then it gets fuller going back. So I've just cut off the excess lace on one side, and then I went in and cut off the other side. And you can see it's already melting in really, really nicely. And then I just removed any excess gunk that was built up from the spray. And then I go back in and spray down the hairline once again. So this is actually my third time using the spray on, you know, this install. So I'm just spraying again, and I was kind of getting used to using the bigger can. I didn't want it to shoot out like too much, so I was kind of like pressing it down halfway to try not to get it to just shoot out and be so much spray. But once I sprayed it down, I went back in and blow dried, and then I'm going back in and perfecting the part. And then I parted down some baby hairs, and then I just go in and start to trim those down. As you can see, I parted baby hairs all the way across because I was thinking of doing dramatic type baby hairs all the way across. So I went in and curled them with my mini flat iron, and I'm just going to curl them up, and then you will see kind of how it looks after I did it. And I was like, girl, this is not cute. It's doing too much. So I decided to just take the more natural approach and just do my 2 little baby hair swoops like I normally do. So I just did one on this side, and then I did one on the other side, and I'm just using a little bit of hairspray on my edge brush to lay the baby hairs down into place. And these baby hairs just look so cute and natural and wispy. I really love doing this method. I've been doing it like every single time. So once I do that, I go in and push the hairline back so that it gives like that pushed back kind of vibe. I don't even know what it's called, but I really like how this looks. So this is how the hair looks. It's still dry. It's not defined. So since this hair is shorter, I just went in and used my spray bottle to wet the hair down, which in some cases, y'all know, I will go to the sink and wet it and then kind of use my spray bottle in any areas that need a little bit more water. But since this hair is shorter, it wasn't going to take so much work. So I just went in and sprayed it down using my continuous spray bottle, and you can see how it looks. Like it's looking like the hair is almost straight. Like it's not really giving a curl at all. But y'all will see at the end, the hair is definitely going to be popping. Like the curls are super, super cute once you actually scrunch it and everything. So don't just comb through and let it dry, because I don't feel like the curls will spring back up and give you the curly bob that you really want. Go ahead and put your product in, whatever you're going to use, a leave-in conditioner or a curly product. This is what I'm using. It's kind of like a mix between like a gel and a leave-in conditioner, in my opinion. So I just put this in the hair. It gives a nice hold and the hair doesn't get all super frizzy. I don't know if they make this product anymore. I've had it for a really long time, and I decided that I should just go ahead and start to use it up. So I'm just scrunching up the hair, and you can see those waves and curls starting to kind of come back to the hair, although we have combed through the hair while it was wet and it was giving more of a straight appearance at first. The curls are really just coming back. So it's looking good. It's going to give like a nice natural wavy curly kind of vibe, and this is the difference on the other side. I went ahead and wet this side down, put the product in, everything like that, and then I'm also going to give this side a nice scrunch as well so that everything is nice and even and it's curly all the way around. So this is how the hair looks after it has dried. You can see how the curls look. They are really, really pretty. And I'm also going to push the hair, you know, off of my forehead and kind of push it back and do this little thing that I always like to do. I don't really like to leave it straight down flat. This is more so my thing, and I feel like it just really polishes off the hair when you take this extra step. And my baby hairs were kind of coming up a little bit on this side, so I just went back in and smoothed them down using a little bit of holding spray. Your baby hairs are still going to be really soft, although, you know, we are using a holding spray. Don't use anything that's way too heavy, just something more light. I use the Fantasia spray and it works out amazing. So super cute. Okay, so this is what the baby hairs are giving. I'm just polishing everything off, and this was just super cute. I really liked this wig and this install, and it was really easy and fast to do because it is a closure wig and it's also curly, so I didn't have to curl the hair or anything like that. Like, just really effortless and really pretty and put together. So this is how the hair is looking once I'm complete, and then you can kind of see the back and everything like that. So stay tuned for the outro. Okay, guys, so this is the completed look of this hair. It's the melt for me, the easy, like it was so easy to do. And I did put concealer in my part. I did that last night, and my memory card was full, so I didn't actually show y'all that, but I just put concealer in my part and then put some wrapping mousse, and that's pretty much it. I didn't even put anything here. This wig bleached out as far as the knots really nice, and plucking it, like, I think it looks really good. Everything is a go, and it's a closure, so it's so fast and easy. And yeah, this wig also fits nice and snug as well. So you probably could also do it without using any spray, but let me just tell y'all real quick, this don't really have nothing to do with this wig specifically, but this spray is the bomb, and it's so affordable. If y'all have seen recently in like all my videos, I've been using this. It's kind of starting to run low, but originally I always planned to get the big can because I had already heard that it was so good. But in my beauty supply, they only had the small one, so I just started off with this one. Recently, I went ahead and ordered this one from Amazon because I didn't want to run around going from beauty supply store to beauty supply store trying to see if they had the big one. But yeah, this one is huge, and I do like how small this can is because I feel like it's easy kind of to control. But you can also do that with the big can, and of course, it's going to last way longer. Sorry, y'all, she keep moving the camera, but yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all I wanted to say. But this is really bomb, so I definitely recommend that y'all pick this up. Pick up the black can, not the yellow can, not the red can. I have the red can. It does work nice. I do like it, but this one, mind blown up as I drop it and try to tear it up. So yes, I love this.